Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to update HMRC application on mobile phone. To update HMRC application on mobile phone, first open your Play Store if you are using Android. If you are using your iPhone, open your App Store after opening the respective application. Now here, tap on the search bar at the top. Then type HMRC. Then tap on HMRC option. Now again tap on HMRC. Now if you have your update ready, then here you'll be able to see update option on the place of open. Tap on update. It will take few seconds for your application to be updated. After your application gets updated, open your HMRC application. With that, you'll be able to update your HMRC application. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.